Hello everyone, welcome back to the Arimas Robotics. I am here with the new topic of the type conversions, but you will notice that why I am showing the slide of data types in Python. Yes, you are right. I am going to mix all the data types and with the type conversions methods of the numerical data type lists and from one data type to the another data type and the floating of another numbers and integers, printing the strings, converting into the tuples, accessing the list in the tuple languages. We are all going to see how many types and what are the type conversions I am going to do with the sample program. So let's start our programming topic. Here I have already written the program which is in the form of binary digits. So I have called b as a integer of a binary number and b as a base 2. After converting to the integer, base 2 is percentage %d and percentage %b, which I have mentioned the name of a integer, is percentage %b. So let's run the program. Here we see that it comes as 18. So the conversion of binary number to the integer is 18. Okay. Let's see some more examples. This is only the one example which I have declared. Declaring the variable as a equals to hex. Let's write 56 and then print by using the function of print and double quotation, convert 56 to hexadecimal. The output is convert 56 to hexadecimal value is 0x38. Okay, and the next program is printing integer converting to octal string. Okay, let us take this 56 number only and I want to print. I just change the number as OCT, octal. Okay, and all remains the same. Here you can see the octal number. Okay, here in this here you can see the answer is same, but the printed statement which I have written it previously, it has printed as it is. In printing statement, what we will be writing in the double quotation, it will print as it is. Okay. So this is the octal. And we have completed the hexadecimal, octal, and let us do some functions converting strings. Here in this program we are going to learn how a string can convert into a tuple, a string can convert into a set, and a string can convert into a list. Okay, for this we are declaring the variables for a tuple, for a set, and for a list, and after that we are assigning the variables which we have changed the data accordingly, and we have set a program for this. And now we run the program and see the output. If the output comes correct, here you can see that the tuples are mentioned with open parenthesis and a close parenthesis, and sets are initialized with the flower braces, and lists are declared as a square braces. Okay. In this program, we are going to convert two variables as a complex number and a tuple into a string and tuple into a dictionary. Okay, by writing a command such as I am declaring the two variables as a and b, and I want to write it as a 1, 2 in a complex manner. Okay, I have declared that one, and I have declared initialized a tuple with the values, and by using the dict function we can convert the tuple into a dictionary. And in the second line I am going to convert a string as a here the string of a is 1, so I want to print it as it is. Here you can see that the complex number of 1 and 2 is 1 plus 2j, and converting integer into a string is 1. Here dictionary of a tuple is, here it is a dictionary and with the combination of key and value pairs. So by this task I am completing wrapping all the sections in the data types. By next class we will be learning about the operators and types of operators in it. Thank you.